Hi, I'm Kelly Mashpitz, Certified Image Consultant and Beauty Expert, and today I'm going to show you how to use your mineral powder as a liquid makeup. First step, take your favorite mineral powder foundation and select your favorite moisturizer. You can use a cream or a liquid moisturizer, whichever one you prefer. You're going to take 2 scoops of your mineral powder foundation, and then you're going to take about half of that amount in your moisturizer. So the ratio is basically 2 to 1. You want to mix it up really well. So what's great about this is you can make it as thick or as thin as you want and use whatever moisturizer you prefer. You could even use aloe vera, and then you would apply it just as you normally would any liquid foundation using your fingers or a sponge. See how nice and smooth that goes on? And that's how you use your mineral powder as a liquid foundation. I'm Kelly Mashpitz, Certified Image Consultant and Beauty Expert.